Standard 3, Subject EVS, Lesson number 17, Pearly Teeth, Healthy Body. Today we are going to see exercises from this topic. Before starting, let's have a quick recap on what we have learned in this topic. The teeth we get when we are small are called milk teeth. They start falling at 7 or 8 years of age. Then we get new teeth once again. These are called permanent teeth. If permanent teeth fall, we do not get new teeth in their place. So, we must take care of our teeth. If our teeth are dirty, foul substances go into our stomach. We can fall ill and also our gums will be affected. We must wash our hands before we eat. We must keep our hair, our nails, our sense organs and the entire body clean. Remember, it is for us to keep our body clean. Question D. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. Why do our gums get affected? Our gums get affected because sometimes particles of food remain in the mouth after eating. The teeth begin to rot. We get bad breath. If this happens often, the gums get affected. Question number 2. Why must we wash our hands before having a meal? Answer. If we eat with unclean hands, the dirt and the germs mixes with the food and enters our stomach. Then we get an upset stomach. So, we must wash our hands before having a meal. Question number 3. What are the benefits of using a brush and toothpaste for cleaning one's teeth? Answer is, using a brush and toothpaste, we can clean gaps between the teeth properly. Besides, the foam of the toothpaste helps the particles stuck between teeth to come loose and get washed away. Question number 4. What will happen when we do not keep ourselves clean? Answer. If we do not keep ourselves clean, we may contract different diseases. Question number 5. Why do we fall ill if our teeth are not clean? Answer. If our teeth are dirty, foul substances go into our stomach and we can fall ill. So in this way we have completed the exercises from lesson number 17, Pearly Teeth, Healthy Body. I hope you have understood this lesson.